Good everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm one of the best educational consultants. Thank you so much for watching my video, sharing my video, and giving it a word. Thumbs up. Now look at the board. Look at the board. Government JAMB question 2025. JAMB is asking you a system of government in which all qualified adult citizens share the supreme power directly or through their elected representative. You understand? Or a system of government based on popular concept is called that. You understand? So when we talk about the answer is democracy, you understand? When we talk about government of the people, by the people, and for the people, it's talking about democracy, you understand? I get it. All citizens share the supreme power directly or through what? Elected representative. The answer is what? Democracy. The answer is what? Democracy. This is JAMB question 2025. That is for